Okay, so I put them in, and now I'm gonna adjust them. Not adjust them, I'm just gonna tighten them up, get the slack off a little bit. Just get it snugged up, and then we'll crank it. It still has plenty of movement. Please. Yeah. That was a little tight. Don't want them tight. All right. Just with a little play, then we'll finish it. So now, cover it up again with this all-purpose towel. I've been using this for everything. Okay, snug that up. Everything is in, everything is torqued, everything is for installation. It's done, and now time for a beer. And it's a hot day, so I finished everything up. The next step is I was going to go to Newport, but I don't think I am, because I'm kind of beat up. Yeah, it's already 2:30. I'm not gonna. No, I'll leave that for another trip. I gotta come up with something back there. I know that MacGyver. So yeah, guys, it's coming along. I'm gonna close it all up, have my michelada and a cigar, hang around for an hour, change clothing, freshen up a little bit, and go home. Let me show you the mess. And this is nothing. It was worse. Let me show you the mess. The table is full of stuff. These are the elbows that are going to go on the rices when they get here. There's the distributor on the bucket there. There are the hoses. There's the intake and the heat extractor or radiator and the covers. I got here the gaskets for the risers, the bolts, and the, where is it? Oh, it's here. The gaskets for the intake manifold. I don't want them to fold, so I'm going to put it here on the side. And I also got a big exhaust hose in there. There's the carburetor on top of the kitchen. Most of the heavy parts are in because of the efforts of the owner, which is me. And I think it's done for today. I gotta take some of these tools home that I don't need now. And all right, guys, so there's the update on the engine. Getting it ready in a week, I hope. All right. All right, then. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.